Tomato paste. Okay. Cubes. Beef cubes to. Wala akong pork cubes. Pero carry na yan. Lagyan natin ng konti pang water. Para lang siyang spaghetti sauce. Gisa-gisa lang naman. Ganun lang yan, guys. Madali lang magluto. Akala nyo lang mahirap. Pero once na nag-start na kayo, kahit basic, madali lang siya. Go! Pakuluan lang natin ng konti. Then, lagay na natin yung carrots at saka patatas. Lagay na natin ng carrots and patatas. Charis. Dalawang araw or pang 3 days na ulam ko. Tsaka ng aking jazawa. Okay? Kaya ganyang karami. Yun. Super simple. Palambutin lang natin siya. Takpan para mabilis siyang lumambot. Okay? Tapos na din. Oops. Konti na lang kanyang sabaw. My lunch for 2 to 3 days maybe. Or just 2 days. Kasi mahilig din ang asawa ko dito. Pero walang halong biro. Bet niya rin to. Yan, yung mga ganyang luto. Yung mga may mga malalasa ba. Ganon. Yun, let's eat. debone na chicken leg. I-marinate natin siya. Honey. Just a little bit of suka. Garlic powder. Isang perasong hita na debone. Ito na ang ating anik. Marination. I-refrigerate natin yan. Okay? Cayenne pepper. Cajun. Onion. Let's mix. Lagyan natin ng Cajun pepper. Cajun pepper. Ano lang pala? Cajun spice. All-in-one seasoning. Chicken. Done. Dalawang marination. Ma-marinate natin siya sa pesto. Just the pesto. Chicken again. The marination begin again. Yan ang ating pang-third. Cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, Italian seasoning. Damihan natin. Damihan siya ng all-in-one seasoning. That's the fourth. And oyster sauce. Or 4. This is the paminta. Okay. Liquid seasoning. Dalawa. Tapos na, ito ang ating pang-5. Ang last part ay ito, gagamit tayo ng Korean bulgogi marinade. Oops. Yan. Okay, coated na siya. Doon. Yan ang ating pang-6 na marination. Ayan na ang ating 2, 4, 6 na minarinate. Ayan. So, meron na tayong ulam for, next week. Hindi na ako mahihirapang mag-isip kung anong lulutuin. Isasalang ko na lang lahat. Ganon. So, i-chill lang natin siya. Ready na for next week. Ayan. Ang ating marinade. It's all marinade. Wow. For dinner or lunch. Yan ako. Ayan, ang kalat. So, yan. Yan ang, reality. Dahil maliit lang ang aming kitchen. We're gonna make cheesecake. So, na-crush ko na yung, Biscoff nga pala itong, itong base natin. And then, magme-melt lang ako ng unsalted para go na.
base?
Good. I put it in the fridge, yes. But I think I got the wrong, I should put, what's this? Wax? No, why?
Wax.
Yeah, the wax paper.
Ah, okay. Not baking paper.
No, baking paper.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Oh, did you not put baking paper in?
No, I didn't.
Ah.
So how can I like?
I had no idea, babe. Did you put butter down?
No.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, well. First time, see what happens. Maybe.
Vanilla. Pinch of vanilla. Okay. Mas i-bake na natin siya. Hindi ko na siya sinala. Konti lang naman eh. No? Hindi nga napuno yung ano niya. Hindi siya napuno. Okay. And then timer 4:30 to 35. That's it. Okay, we're just gonna wait. After 35 minutes.
I'm going to take out the top.
Wait. Wait.
You need to put it down, babe. Just going to let that cool.
Yeah. The cheesecake. I hope it's perfect. But no worries, it's my first time to make it. Okay? Ano lang, cool down and then let's try it later. Go. I hope. Oh, look.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. Ay, hindi masyadong Wait. Tikman muna natin. Try natin. Ito ang niya, oh. Pak. Hindi siya masyadong makapal, pero carry na. Ciao. Let's try. Malamig na siya. Not bad. Patigyan natin kay Jizawa.
It's very thin.
Yeah, it's thin.
Needs to be more.
Yeah. What do you think?
Good, babe.
What's missing? Is there something missing?
It's just that it needs to be thicker.
Yeah.
But everything is good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really nice. Just
Okay.
needs to be a lot more. The base is good. The cheesecake is good. It's just very thin. If it was much thicker, it'd be amazing.
Yeah.
But
So
good work.
that's my first cheesecake.
I reckon it all.
Yeah. You want more?
Mm.
Okay. Good.
Good, babe. Well done.
Ubos. Alam mo, ang kulang lang sa kanya is kapal. Medyo manipis kasi siya. Ano lang kasi to, 220 grams lang na cheesecake. Cheesecake, tama ba? Cheese cream. So, yan. So, ayan. Manipis lang siya. Pero, carry na. Yung lasa niya, okay. But I think need more, I think it need more, babe, freeze it. Go, kain. My first time. So, hindi ako success siya, actually. So, yon. Good.